We're inside the world's biggest Ikea store here in Manila. Believe it or not, the biggest Ikea store is in the Philippines. This is actually my first time not to enter here. So yung scale, laki-laki ng store. I'm into one floor pata to. Ilang floors ba to? So big, no? Massive, and yung Filipino consumers did not really disappoint, no? Because of today kung makita mo yung volume ng consumers going here or inside taking yung challenge of yung consumption for a developing country. Saan yung exit? Exit without purchase. Laki-laki, no? From the other end. Nakita ko lang, patikim pa lang yun. Yung sa loob. I'm sure it's so massive. Yung loob ng Ikea store. So this is yung area na exit, no? Without purchase. So laki-laki. Okay, so going out, huh? Here. Exit without purchase.